Hi, I'm Bob Simpson. I'm with the CPA firm in Springfield. I'm at Neumann University today to talk about small business accounting and the importance of that. I believe the cash flow statement is the most important statement for business owners to read. It tells you when money comes in, where it comes from, what it gets spent on, and when it gets spent. Cash flow statement differs from a balance sheet and a profit and loss statement. Those statements are designed to tell the owner the true profits and the true net worth of the company. Cash flow statement really tells you how that company runs, when the money comes in, when the money goes out, how much is left. Accrual accounting is the method that measures your revenue and expenses in the periods that they occur. Not necessarily when you bill a customer or collect the money, and not necessarily when you're billed and you pay your bills. Accrual accounting differs from cash basis accounting because it is a true picture of the business. Cash basis accounting really tells you when you collect your money, when you pay your bills. Accrual accounting will tell you when you've earned that revenue and when you incur those expenses. Cash basis accounting is a good method to use for tax filings because you can measure your cash in and cash out. Accrual basis accounting is a good time to use as a true measure of the profitability and the balance sheet of the company. Bookkeeper is necessary for a company from the very beginning. Bookkeepers already have the skill set to set up accounts, to get the company running and set up policies, and actually train the owners. A CPA could come in and offer a higher level service when it comes to tax planning, tax preparation, and items like that. A tax professional will help you from the very beginning with registrations of the companies, with the IRS, with the state, any local registrations. Also, very important, select the right entity when you form your company. That entity will dictate what type of taxes you'll pay for that year. So getting a CPA that has an emerging business department will help the small business owners navigate that. The right time to speak to a qualified tax professional should be at the formation of the business. That tax professional will be able to guide you in entity selection, registrations, very important parts that will dictate how that business will run. I'm Bob Simpson, a CPA in Springfield, and thanks for having me today.